This is Wild Chronicles.
It's spring on the South Atlantic's Falkland Islands. Birds by the hundreds of thousands make their yearly pilgrimage to the shores of this avian paradise. Filmmakers Mark Smith and Jane Watson have come here to follow a strangely compelling bird of prey called the Johnny Rook. Seemingly fearless, curious, and destructive, mariners nicknamed these blackbirds the Flying Devils.
As soon as we got there, this one adolescent flew in. He sat there and looked me in the eye. We knew Johnny Rooks were bold, but we weren't really prepared for such complete fearlessness. It's a little unnerving to be under such intense scrutiny.
The filmmakers learn why the birds are called the Flying Devils when they leave their campsite.
We knew Johnny Rooks had a reputation for getting into mischief, but we weren't prepared for what happened to our campsite. They're just obsessive about investigating anything out of the ordinary. It's all very amusing, of course, unless it's your campsite.
Their curiosity is intense and ultimately rewarded. Johnny Rooks may seem a little like crows, but they're actually distant cousins of the falcon, whose ancestors were probably blown to these islands long ago.
Come here, fellas.
Got a bowl and everything. Look, quick, they've got that gyro.
Mischievous during the day, it's long been suspected that these Johnny Rooks are up to something at night. And with infrared cameras, Mark and Jane hope to find out what that is. As darkness descends, they're engulfed in a flutter of birds called thin-billed prions.
You got one there? A bit stunned. Isn't he beautiful?
I better let him go. Get on with it.
These seabirds make nighttime excursions to tend hidden nests under the cover of darkness.
On. Someone, oh, look at this. Look, there's thousands of them. That is amazing.
Wow, look at that.
And as suspected, the Johnny Rooks are wide awake, hungry, and on the prowl.
It really was remarkable to capture this behaviour on film. It's almost unheard of for a bird of prey to change its entire daily rhythm in order to exploit a completely new food source.
These mischievous castaways are truly intelligent hunters. able to adapt to find sources of food. The Johnny Rook may be annoying, but in the hard-scrabble world of the Falklands, where all animals have to compete to survive, they command some respect.
Check for Wild Chronicles on your local PBS station.
Sponsored by National Geographic Mission Programs, taking science and exploration into the new millennium.